Hey there, what's happening? I'd like to take you on a bit of a journey of curiosity and knowledge. All right? Here we go. An estimated 700 grapes go into a single bottle of wine. That's around 1.18 kilograms or 2.6 pounds. In case you wonder how much fruit you'll get when you uncork your favorite. A team of 6 women programmed the first digital computer. The female mathematicians now famously participated in a World War II program coding instructions into the revolutionary Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer, also known as ENIAC. With new life, baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort. When doing so, they're just like human newborns making funny faces, only a tad bigger. 4 times more people speak English as a second language than as a native one, and nearly 3 times more people speak Mandarin Chinese natively. English has around 2 billion people learning it as a second language. In 1992, a cargo ship traveling from Hong Kong to the United States lost a shipping crate that contained 28,000 rubber ducks. Lost at sea and floating about, the ducks continually pop up on shores around the world to this very day. In 1905, 11-year-old Frank Epperson left out a wooden stirrer in a cup of water and soda pop overnight. When he discovered it was frozen the next morning, he also just then, and unknowingly, invented the very first ice lolly, or popsicle, as we know it now.
Was there a real Frankenstein? Johann Conrad Dippel, a German alchemist born at Castle Frankenstein in 1673, is believed to have inspired Mary Shelley's character, Dr. Frankenstein. Dippel was rumoured to have experimented with body parts and the elixir of life. Mars hosts the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons. It stands about 22 kilometres or over 13 miles high, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. It's enormous. The War of Jenkins' Ear. This peculiar war between Britain and Spain, which took place from 1739 to 1748, was sparked when a Spanish coast guard cut off the ear of British captain Robert Jenkins. He later presented his severed ear to the British Parliament, which contributed to the declaration of war. The Black Forest region of southwest Germany is renowned for its intricate cuckoo clocks, a tradition dating back to the 18th century. These handcrafted timepieces are cherished for their craftsmanship and charm. I happen to have one myself, you know. The mysterious catacombs of Paris hold the remains of over 6 million people in a network of underground tunnels. These ossuaries were established in the 18th century to address the city's overflowing cemeteries. As amazing as it is, the rise of AI has also led to significant ethical discussions about its impact on society. Issues such as job displacement, privacy concerns, and the potential for biased decision-making are critical topics continually being addressed by researchers and policymakers.
Because a rooster's crow can reach 140 decibels, they have acquired built-in earplugs. Researchers explain that as it tilts its head up to crow, their external auditory canals close, preventing loud sound from coming in and doing damage. Which begs the question, who cock-a-doodle knew? The very first pizza was made in Naples, Italy, in the late 18th century. It was simple then: tomato, mozzarella, and basil, each representing the colors of the Italian flag. The tradition of blowing out birthday candles dates back to ancient Greece. The Greeks back then were polytheists and believed that blowing out birthday candles would send their wishes to the gods. You think a hurricane is scary? Imagine hurricane winds up to 2,000 kilometers per hour or 1,300 miles per hour. That is a normal occurrence on Neptune, the furthest planet in our solar system. It also ranks as the coldest planet. A United States park ranger named Roy Cleveland Sullivan, who worked at the Shenandoah National Park in Virginia between 1942 and 1977, was struck by lightning 7 different times. Miraculously, he survived them all and lived to the age of 71. The fastest gust of wind ever recorded on Earth was 407 kilometers per hour or 253 miles per hour. In 1996, a tropical storm off the Australian coast produced 5 extreme 3-second wind gusts, the peak of which was a 253 mile per hour gust. So what did you think? Comment below and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, mate.